We've been talking about this morning, a Wisconsin warm-up.
Yes, yeah, we have to be very specific here because it's not going to be like a warm up in other parts of the country. We are not looking at temperatures in the 60s, the 50s, the 40s, or in some spots, probably not even the 30s, but at least we will get out of the teens. Yesterday, we did see some very cold temperatures, cold wind chills as well. This morning, we're starting off with a beautiful sunrise out here as you take a look off to the east. Sunrise is about a half hour from now. It will be at about 7:22 this morning, and the sun will set at 4:35. Now, average high temperature this time of year, 31. Average low is 18, and we're actually going to be very close to averages today. Yesterday, we were trending about 10 to 15 degrees colder than average. So again, it's all about how you look at things. As we take a look at our winds this morning, we are looking at some strong wind gusts out of the south, though, so we're going to tap into some warmer air, hence the warmer temperatures this afternoon. But unfortunately, the winds are going to still add an extra bite to the air, so our wind chills today are going to be chillier than our actual air temperatures. Wind gusts will stay around about 25 to 30 miles per hour throughout the entire day today. I do expect windy conditions even continuing tonight and into tomorrow as we have this storm system that's kind of developing right over us. You can see some of the snow associated with the storm off to our north, some of the clouds associated with it just off to our west. And as we move throughout the day today, we are going to have a chance for some freezing drizzle. Now, I do not expect it necessarily for everyone, and what we could see will be very, very light. And you can see it here on your future forecast. Now, throughout the morning, not worried about freezing drizzle. We'll just have mostly clear skies. Clouds start to push in towards the lunch hour, and then you saw that close to about 2 or 3 o'clock, looking at some light freezing drizzle or also some flurries. But most of this will stay off to our south. So if you're traveling south towards the Chicagoland area today, you will be at more of a risk of that freezing drizzle and slick road conditions. But with the light showers, we will see a chance to have just a little bit of ice, especially on untreated surfaces. So roadways, sidewalks, staircases, if they have not been treated with salt or de-icer, that's where we could be looking at some slick conditions, mainly in through Racine and Kenosha counties, off towards Walworth County, and then off farther to the north is where we could have a little bit of light snow as we move into tonight with little to no accumulation. So today, it's mainly going to be increasing clouds, but warmer compared to what we had yesterday. We're up to 30 degrees, chance for that freezing drizzle late, and then tonight, a chance for a little bit of light snow, otherwise mostly cloudy skies. We'll drop to 20 to start off your Sunday. Unfortunately, though, temperatures are going to continue to drop throughout the day, so we fall to 16 in the afternoon. Wind gusts will be around 30, so it's going to feel more like 0 degrees Sunday afternoon. A high of 15 on Monday after starting off at 3. We'll start off at 0 on Tuesday, but there are some warmer temperatures coming our way as we move into next week. We'll climb into the 30s, so it'll be more than just one day of looking at the Wisconsin warm-up, Brian.